my pleasure to welcome today Dr. Laxmikant from Sinar Sheetmetal Solutions Pvt. Thank you so much for joining us today, sir. We have a few questions that we want to take you through, and hopefully you will be able to give us some insightful answers. First and foremost, of course, if you can talk to us about what is it that you're exhibiting here today at IMTEX 2026, and what are the specific needs that it's kind of catering to with respect to the customer base?
We are primarily, as the name says it, we are primarily into manufacturing machines for the sheet metal industry. IMTEX is one of the premier exhibitions for sheet metal solutions and also metal cutting. We expect a wide array of customers, 100%. There's absolutely no technical collaboration or anything, starting from design phase till the implementation, till the applications and everything. So we manufacture laser cutting machines, press brake, and lately last year and a half, we've been doing a lot of automation systems, mainly for welding of sheet metal. Metal forming industry constitutes of major different technologies. It's not just one technology where it's like milling or cutting where there's a tool which rotates and affects something. Here things go from anywhere from laser cutting, shearing, press brake to automation, welding automation. So this whole thing constitutes metal forming industry. So we are actively involved in laser cutting, press brake, and the reason for us to get into welding automation is what you are asking. And that is where the biggest industry is going to be tomorrow, welding automation. Because in India, we always think that it's a low-cost industry, but it's also a skilled industry. Welding is one of those skills. It's not something that you can easily get by just practicing for a few hours and you don't become an expert in welding. Right? So when automation system, when you're depending on this manual labor for your welding systems, and which is not going to be available so at plenty with today's economy, Swiggy's and Zomato's. So there is going to be a dearth of operators or welders. So automation is one of those areas which is going to grow significantly. Even a very small company in Chennai is ordering a lot of automation, welding automation systems on us. It's not a huge automation, but still they need to get into the projects.
Thank you so much, sir. I think that gave us a lot of insights into this specific space that you were talking about. We'd like to thank Dr. Laxmikant for his time and for giving us some of these insights. Thank you so much.